Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we doing today? I made fish pie from the scratch. Yes, I made fish pie from the scratch. I started by preparing my dough using water, nutmeg, salt, butter, and warm water. Yes, I mix them all together. And then ensure that the dough was smooth and soft. Yes, you can follow my process, please. Please guys, comment on my page. Kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments keep me going. And yes, for the filling, I cook fish. Yes, I cook fish with bell pepper, long pepper, onions, curry, thyme, pepper, no cube, and salt. Yes, I make sure they are well seasoned. Now I started rolling out my dough and cutting it into fish pie shape. Yes. Yes, I have this thing that I use. You can get it make your work lesser. Yes, it's automated. See it, and it's very cheap. It's not costly. You can as well buy this as well. It make it easy. Yes, make it easy. You don't have to be thinking on how to form the shape when you have already the shaper down. Yes, life is easy now with so many things that that can buy online. Yes, or in the market. Yes, please guys, comment on my page. We are almost done, so I put it in the oven and allow it to be done.